This writer sold over 100,000 self-published children's books and was able to leave their 9 to 5 for good. These kinds of storybooks are widely available on Amazon thanks to Amazon KDP, and you too can use AI to do this and earn some decent monies. Today, I will be walking you through 4 steps to creating this lucrative passive income stream so you can be on your way to publishing your first book in less than 96 hours. Identify and verify concepts. Write a narrative for your book. Design scenarios and characters. Finally, compile your book. Someone may be wondering what Amazon KDP is all about. Kindle Direct Publishing, or KDP, is Amazon's self-publishing platform that allows authors to sell their books to Amazon's massive audience without the hassle of going through a traditional publishing company. With KDP, authors can create ebooks and paperback books all without any upfront costs or inventory orders. On top of that, KDP gives authors full rights to their books, something that a traditional publishing house typically won't do. Amazon will print, package, and ship books to your customers, as well as take care of any customer service concerns on your behalf whenever you make sales on the Amazon platform. You can receive your royalties in the comfort of your home. The first step is to gather ideas, and because it receives a lot more traffic than other platforms, Amazon.com is the ideal place to start. You must conduct research to determine the consumer base for the book you are trying to write, the level of competition, and the potential earnings. You might self-sabotage and end up failing if you don't conduct proper research. Let's head on over to Amazon.com and let's try searching for Amazing Children's Storybook 6 to 8 years. There were just over 1,000 results generated, which is good, as you don't want to be too general, as this makes the search results too large. You can use KDP Spy by Book Bold and BookBeam to do more research on areas such as the reviews, the average price, average estimated monthly sales, search volume, and royalty earned per day. ChatGPT can be used to help generate the storyline, but please ensure you don't use AI to generate the entire storyline. Use it to get a story idea which you can then add your own spin to and develop. As on Amazon, you will have to declare if you used AI to create your stories or your books or images. A prompt we can use to get some storyline ideas is 10 ideas for an amazing children's storybook for children ages 6 to 8 years old and has more than 30 pages when developed. It should involve 2 normal characters and involve a lesson being learned. We will choose number 7, The Lost Puppy. Luna and Milo find a lost puppy in the park and embark on a mission to reunite it with its owner. Through their adventure, they learn about compassion and the importance of helping others in need. This sounds like a very exciting potential story. We can then ask ChatGPT to expand on idea number 7, The Lost Puppy, by using this prompt. Based on the storyline, we will see that we will need to create images of a group of children and a dog. So let's get started. To generate the characters, you can use Leonardo AI, Bing, or Midjourney. I will be using Leonardo AI. For the free Leonardo AI, you will get 150 tokens per day, and each image generated usually uses up to 8 tokens. You can use this prompt to generate the image of a girl, and this prompt can be tweaked to give the image of a boy as well. 6-year-old Pixar white girl with red hair in jeans overall and orange top, standing with lively action and pleasant character expressions for a children's storybook full body. Then click the Generate tab here. Sometimes, depending on the image, it may use different amounts of tokens, either 2 tokens, 8 tokens, etc. These are the images that were generated. What you'll do is choose the one that you like the most. I'll go ahead and choose this one. What you do is select the one that you prefer and download the image here. For the image of the dog, you can use Pixar Lost Dog with sad character expressions for a children's storybook full body. These were the images that were generated. I'll go ahead and download this image. If you want to keep the characters constant, you can use image guidance by uploading the image you want the character to consistently look like, but you can change up elements of the prompt to maybe have the character holding an object, or jumping, or skipping, etc. So go ahead and create all the characters for your story. This is a stage that we start putting the book together in Canva. But firstly, you will need to know the dimension or cover of the book being created by using KDP Cover Calculator, and these dimensions will be placed in Canva. The link for this will be in the description. For binding type, we'll be choosing paperback. Interior type, premium color. Paper type, we'll be choosing white paper. Page turn direction, left to right. Measurement units, inches. Interior trim will go down to 8.5 times 8.5 inches. For page count, we'll choose 30. Then click Calculate Dimensions. It will provide you with a guide to follow when writing your book. Next, click on Download Template. When you go to the home page of Canva, search for Storybooks to get an idea of pre-generated templates. If you're using the free Canva, you should look for templates without the Canva Pro notation or the paid notation. I will be using this template as it has 30 pages. Click here to customize template. If you want to get additional features such as resizing options, you will have to get the paid Canva, which you can try for 30 days. When using the paid Canva to resize the image, click on Resize and Magic Switch at the top to change the design 8.5 to 8.5 inches. To ensure that the cover template downloaded matches what we're looking for, we would upload it to Canva. Ensure it touches edge to edge to ensure it fits, then you can make it transparent and continue editing. You can add the images that you created, as well as other elements which you can find in Canva, like this rock I found in Canva, the butterfly, the sun, the stones, the caterpillar. I changed the background color, etc. When you are finished, you will download as a PDF print. With color profile CMYK, which is best for professional printing. Then you will click download. For the cover, we will have to create that differently, so we'll go back to the home page of Canva. We'll click on custom size, then input the dimensions from the KDP template that we downloaded, where the width was 17.32 and the height was 8.75. Then click create new design. It will open up and look like this. Then you're going to be dragging the KDP cover template that we created. Ensure that it touches corner to corner, edge to edge. Then you're going to make this a bit transparent so you can see what you're working with, and use this as a guide. You'll be using one of the images you created, and then you'll finish your masterpiece. Your journey towards passive income with storybooks is just beginning, and with dedication and determination, the possibilities are endless and limitless to creating thousands of dollars per month. If you are interested in other income producing ideas, check out the following videos.